Welcome to the NovaVision retractable screen door installation video. This video will guide you through the simple process of installing our retractable screen door on a standard double door. After opening the box, you will have on hand two housing assemblies of the retractable screen doors: the upper track, the lower track, the installation manual, the hardware, and the adapter for the upper latch. The following are the necessary tools for the installation of your retractable screen: measuring tape, drill, 764 and 1364 drill bits, Phillips drill bit head, pencil, retractable utility knife, metal saw, and level. The housing assemblies will be installed on each side of your double door, in front of the frame. Step 1. Installation of the lower track. On the outside of the frame, on each vertical side, where your retractable screen door housing assemblies will be positioned, start against brick mold or siding, and measure 2 inches 1/8 along the sill, towards the inside, and mark the 2 lines on the sill. In order to obtain the required length of the lower track, measure the distance between the 2 marks. Using the metal saw, cut the lower track according to this measurement. In order to ensure that the mesh lock does not move out of its track, use pliers to pinch the track on either side in order to keep the mesh lock in place. To measure the upper track, take the just cut lower track and put both tracks on top of each other, making sure that they are equal at the level of the shortest part of the upper track, U-shaped part. Make a mark on the upper track at the point where the lower track meets it. In order to create a new L-shaped notch at the desired length, add 2 inches 1/8 towards the existing L-shaped notch to this mark. Cut the track completely at this second mark. At your other pencil mark, cut only the round part. To finalize the cut, use a retractable utility knife, pass several times over the first groove, and pull out the round part. Now both ends of the upper track are ready to fit on both of the housing assemblies. For a sill that is flush to the frame, position the flat side of the track on the sill with the U-shaped part exceeding in front of the sill. For a sill that is extended in front of your frame, both the flat side and the U-shaped areas of the track will be on top of the sill. Place the track on the sill according to the lines previously created. Using a 764 drill bit, drill a hole in the track and the sill. Anchor the track with the help of the 7/8 screws. Step 2. Installation of the retractable screen. You have 2 retractable screen housing assemblies, one with latches and a central attachment, and one without. Install the housing assembly with latches on the passive side, and the one without latches on the active side. Insert the handle part of the housing assembly into the lower track. At the same time, position the 2 guides at the bottom of the housing against the bottom of the lower track. Insert a 2.5-inch screw in the hole at the bottom of the retractable screen housing. Using a level, ensure that the retractable screen housing is leveled, and insert the other 2.5-inch screw in the hole at the top of the screen. Install the second retractable screen housing the same way. Step 3. Installation of the upper track. If the upper track exceeds the height of your door frame, mark the track at the desired height. Using the retractable utility knife, cut the track along the provided groove. Slide your knife along the desired groove 3 times on each side. To remove the excess track, bend it on both sides. Use a pair of pliers if needed. Place the track on the screen handle and slide it towards the housing, ensuring that the 2 guides are on either side of the track. Also, be sure that the flap part of the track is resting on top of the housing. Now to the other side. Install the other part of the track on the other housing. You will have to temporarily remove the top screws of the housing. Place the track as you did on the other side and replace the 2.5-inch screw. Using a 7/64 drill bit, drill 3 holes in the track. 1 above each housing, as well as in the center, and then anchor the track using the 1-inch white screws. Step 4. Installation of the adapter for the upper latch. From the inside, locate the center of the doors on the upper track and install the adapter in the groove. Pull the handle with the latches from its housing assembly. Position the handle at the center of the door and insert the latch in the adapter. Using the 2 1/4-inch screws, attach the adapter. For the lower latch using a level, make sure that the handle is very straight. Lower the latch and mark the track at the spot where the hole should be made, and drill a hole using the 13/64 drill bit. Pull the handle on the fixed side and lock the 2 latches into place. Pull open your screen on the operating side and connect it to the central attachment. Install the screw caps on the retractable screen housings. Your screens will now protect you from insects and at the same time allow you to enjoy the nice weather.